Welcome back sa aking channel. For today's vlog, I will discuss about applications of quadratic functions. I know you already know what is quadratic function, right? Because I already discussed this one in my previous vlog. But if you don't know yet what is quadratic functions, I will put the link below so that you can watch it later. So example number 1. A ball is thrown from the top of a 144-foot building. The ball follows a trajectory. The height reached by the ball after t seconds is given by the quadratic function. H of t is equal to 64t minus 16t squared. The question is, how high did the ball reach? So, gaano kataas yung maabot ng bola? Then letter B, how long did it take to reach that height? So, gaano katagal bago ma-reach ng ball yung height na nakuha natin sa letter A? So, solution, not yet. You need to, kailangan nyo itong i-take note ha, kasi sobrang magagamit nyo siya. If you know the equation for the function that models the situation, you can find the vertex. If the function is f of x is equal to ex squared plus bx plus c, then the x-coordinate of the vertex will be negative b over 2a. So, if given na yung quadratic function, then naka-standard form na siya, which is this one, f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, mahanap mo na yung value ng x. Diba? The value of, the formula in finding the x-coordinate of the vertex is this one, negative b over 2a. Diba? The vertex is h and k. H is the x-coordinate, k is the y-coordinate. So, for you to find the vertex of the equation, you are going to find the x-coordinate, then use this formula, negative b over 2a. The y-coordinate of the vertex can be found by substituting the x-coordinate into the function. So, if nakuha mo na yung value ng x, isa-substitute nyo lang siya sa given quadratic function. Then, ang result is, yun na yung y-coordinate. Then, take note this one. The x-coordinate of the vertex will give you the time when the ball is at its maximum height. So, if makuha mo na yung value ng x-coordinate, ang x-coordinate pala will give you the time. Okay? Will give you the time kung saan yung bola is nasa maximum height na. Then, the y-coordinate will give you the maximum height. So, ang x-coordinate will give you the time, ang y-coordinate will give you the maximum height. So, sobrang gamit siya, no? So, magamit nyo siya sa example number 1. Okay, solutions. Letter A, how high did the ball reach? So, gaano kataas yung ma-reach ng ball? So, the given quadratic function is this one. H of t is equal to 64t minus 16t squared. So, i-transform na natin siya or i-change na natin siya into standard form. So, magiging h of t is equal to negative 16t squared plus 64. Next is, we are going to find the values of a, b, and c. So, RA is negative 16, b is 64, then c is 0 because we don't have the constant here. First is, we are going to find the x. Okay? Diba sinabi ko kanina, ang x will give you the time, then ang y will give you the maximum height. So, this is the formula. Don't mind muna the right side. Dito muna tayo sa left side mag-focus. So, the formula in finding the x is negative b over 2a. So, itong x class, pwede nyo rin siyang palitan ng t. Kasi yung hinahanap natin dito is ang time. So, pwede nyo siyang palitan ng t as long as same lang yung formula, negative b over 2a. So, next is, we will substitute na the values of a, b, and c sa formula. So, b is 64 divided by, copy 2, then a is negative 16. Don't forget the negative ha. Then x is equal to negative, copy 64. 2 times negative 16 is negative 32. Then negative times negative is positive, right? So 64 divided by 32 is 2 seconds. So therefore, ang time natin is 2 seconds. So, para mahanap natin yung maximum height na maaabot ng bola, isa-substitute lang natin itong value ng x dito sa given quadratic function. Okay? So, h of t is equal to negative 16t squared plus 64. So, h, palitan natin ang t ng 2. Yung value ng x. Kasi diba sinabi ko kanina, itong x, pwede nyo siyang palitan ng t. So, 2 is equal to, substitute lang the value of x2 sa t. So, negative 16 copy, then t squared is 2 squared, plus 64 copy, then t is 2. Then next, h of 2 is equal to, copy negative 16, 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. Then plus 64 times 2 is 128. Then negative 16 times 4 is negative 64. Plus 128. Therefore, h of 2 is equal to 64. Yung white yung tingnan nyo. So, the ball reached the maximum height 64 feet. So, 64 feet yung maximum height na maaabot ng bola. Then letter B, how long did it take to reach that height? So, ang tinatanong dito is yung time. So, no need na natin i-solve kasi na-solve na natin siya, di ba? Therefore, yung time is 2 seconds. So, in 2 seconds, maaabot na ng bola ang maximum height which is 64 feet. Okay? Kasi di ba as I recall, yung x, kapag na-find nyo na yung value ng x will give you the time of its max na maaabot ng bola yung maximum height. While the y coordinate is, ang value ng y coordinate is ang maximum height ng bola. Then, di ba, ang sinabi doon, makukuha mo yung y coordinate by simply substituting the value of x in the given quadratic function. Okay? So, another example. Example number 2. A garment store sells about 40 t-shirts per week. Uy, bakit naging week 2? Week 2 guys ha, sorry na wrong spelling. At a price of 100 pesos each. For each 10 pesos decrease in price, the sales lady found out that 5 more t-shirts per week were sold. So, ang garment store daw, makakasell sila ng 40 t-shirt kada week if ang price is 100 pesos. Pero pag dinekrisan daw nila ng 10 pesos ang price, mas dadami pa or madadagdagan ng 5 more t-shirts per week yung kanilang masusol. So, the question is, A, write a quadratic function in standard form that models the revenue from t-shirt sales. Then letter B, what price produces the maximum revenue? Okay, solution. So, letter A, write a quadratic function in standard form that models the revenue from t-shirt sales. So, the revenue, diba, the formula in finding the revenue is price per unit times the number of units produced or sold. So, based sa ating problem, our revenue is equal to number of t-shirts sold times price per t-shirt. Okay? So, ang number of t-shirts sold is 40 plus 5x. Bakit? Kasi 'di ba kapag 100 pesos yung uh, price ng t-shirt, makakasold sila ng 40 per week. Pero pag dinekreasean nila ng 10 pesos yung kanilang price, madadagdagan ng 5 more t-shirts ang kanilang sale. So, 40 plus yung gagamitin natin kasi yung 5 is additional na t-shirt na masosold nila. Then, put X. So, 40 plus 5X. Okay, next, times price per t-shirt. So, di ba in 1 week, makasold sila ng 40 t-shirt kapag 100 pesos yung kanilang price. Minus 10x. Bakit minus yung operation natin? Kasi 'di ba sa given problem, kapag i-decrease nila yung price ng 10 pesos, makakasold sila ng 5 more t-shirts in a week. So 100 minus 10x. We will use the FOIL method. So 40 times 100 is 4,000. 40 times negative 10x is negative 400x. Kung ano yung sign ng numbers, yun din yung operation ha. So negative, that means minus 400x. Then positive 5x times 100 is positive 500x. So plus 500x. Then positive 5x times negative 10x is negative 50x squared or minus 50x squared. Next is, i-change natin siya into standard form. Kasi yung question is write a quadratic function in standard form. So, we combine lang like terms. Then, at itong negative 50x squared is magiging first term na siya. So, negative 50x squared. Yung white, yung tingnan nyo, negative 50x squared. Then, combine like terms, negative 400x plus 500x. Since they don't have the same sign, so minus 500 minus 400 is 100. And the sign of the higher value is 500 and the sign of the 500 is positive. Therefore, yung sign ng answer is positive. So, plus 100, then copy the common variable which is x. So, 100x, then copy din plus 4,000. So, yan yung quadratic function natin. Revenue is equal to negative 50x squared plus 100x plus 4,000. Next. So, this is now ang ating quadratic function. So, what price produces the maximum revenue? So, ano daw ba yung price ng t-shirt na makakasale ng mas maraming t-shirt? So, di ba yung quadratic function natin is r of x is equal to negative 50x squared plus 100x plus 4,000. So, we are going to find the value of a, b, and c. RA is negative 50, b is 100, then c is 4,000. So, first is same nung ginawa natin sa example number 1, we are going to find first the value of x. Okay? So, the value of x here will give you the t-shirt. Kung ilang t-shirt. So, x is equal to negative b over 2. Diba ito yung formula in finding the value of x. Don't mind muna the right side ha. Dito muna tayo sa left side. Next is substitute the value of a, b, and c. So, negative rb is 100. Then, copy to A natin is negative 50. 2 times negative 50. So, negative 100 over 2 times negative 50 is negative 100. The negative times negative is positive. So, 100 divided by 100 is 1. So, x natin is 1. So, it means 1 t-shirt. Then, P of x is equal to 100 minus 10x. So, bakit ito yung equation natin? Kasi, what, ay wait. Okay, what price produces the maximum revenue? So, ang hinahanap natin dito is ang price. So, ang gagamitin lang natin na equation is itong 100 minus 10x. Kasi, di ba ito is ang price per t-shirt. Okay? Huwag muna nating isali itong 40 plus 5x kasi ito yung number of t-shirts sold. Ito munang price per t-shirt, 100 minus 10x. So, price stands for P of x. So, price per t-shirt. So, P of x is equal to 100 minus 10x. Excuse me. So, ang value ng x natin is 1. So, ang ilalagay natin sa x, substitute lang x 1 by 1. So, P of 1 is equal to 100 minus 10. X is 1. Then, 100, negative 10 times 1 is negative 10. Then, 100 minus 10 is 90. Therefore, 90 pesos is the price that produces the maximum revenue. So, kapag yung t-shirt nila is ang price 90 pesos, ang price na yan is makakaproduce ng pinakamataas na sale nila ng t-shirt. So, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo on how to find the maximum revenue. So, ito yung nakuha natin. So, to get the maximum revenue, so, ang maximum revenue is kung ano yung pinakamataas na masosold nila na t-shirt per week. So, to get the maximum revenue, so r of x is equal to negative 50x squared plus 100x plus 400. So, maximum revenue, hindi ba ang formula ng revenue is this one? Revenue is equal to negative 50x squared plus 100x plus 4,000. So, yan yung gagamitin natin in order to find the maximum revenue. Then, ang value ng x natin, di ba, is 1. Therefore, ang gagawin lang natin is substitute lang the value of x, which is 1, dito sa given quadratic function. Okay? So, r of 1 is equal to negative 50 x squared, substitute x by 1, then 1 squared, plus 100, x is 1, plus 4,000. Then, 1 squared, diba, is 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then, negative 50 times 1 is negative 50. Then, 100 times 1 is 100. So, plus 100. Then, copy. Plus 4,000. Then, negative 50 plus 100 is 50. Plus 4,000 is 4,050. Therefore, the maximum revenue is 4,050. So, the result is 4,050. So, 4,050 pesos yung pinakamataas nila nakita sa t-shirt. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope meron kayong na-learn sa video na ito. Then, don't forget to like, subscribe in my channel, and share this video. Bye!